Hello everyone, so in the previous video I have shown the order headers part. In this video I will be covering the order items that we are able to see right now, and I will be also showing how I created this auto filled I order items using the grid in Ionic. So let's just focus on our div now, and I will be creating all the cards using the ion card. So this is our basically the div where our order items class belongs. So I will be writing the iron card component here, and inside this I will be using all the other components that we just see right now. The image, that is the thumbnail of the image, the product name, size, color, and its availability, and also some other components. So one by one I will first create it, then after this I will be creating the CSS grid part. So first component will be the image part. So I will be creating it using the iron thumbnail. I have used an item. Inside that I will be using iron thumbnail, and inside that I will be providing image its source. So now I will be using image tag for this, and I already have an image in my asset folder of my project. So I will be using the image locally inside the thumbnail. So the syntax for that will be like this, and here I have my image in the image folder. So I will use it like this image, then I will be providing the source, and inside the double quotes I will be providing the path. The image is in assets, then we have its folder, then I will be providing the name, we are getting some errors, so just see what is the error. We have used some colon with src. Now also it is giving error because I have written the wrong name of the folder. So always double check the name of the folders and also the name of the image before using it, otherwise it will provide some error. Just save it once again and we are able to see our image. Next I will be creating the product name, color and size components using the Ionic UI components only. So after this I will be using iron item again for product name and size and color. Inside iron label I will be using the h2 tag. The h2 tag I am using for the name of the product, and the p tag will be for the its color and size, and all these are wrapped in iron item. We are able to see them. I will be doing the lines property to none, and we are not able to see the item line. In this way we can remove the lines. The next thing I will be creating is the other components of the card. I will be using an item for that again. The first iron item contains the thumbnail, product name and price, and the color and size. Next it will be for the availability and the promise date. Here I am using all these components on my choice. You can use the product, the components of your choice of how you want to build the page. I have used 2 labels. We are able to see the lines. After this I will be creating the checkbox part, but first I will be removing the lines and providing it slot. We are not able to see the lines now. I will be creating the checkbox part. For the checkbox thing, we already have iron checkbox. So I will be using iron item again, and inside iron item I will be using iron checkbox, and we want a label also with it and also a button. So first for label I will be using iron label. And we'll give it a name, select item. I will be providing slot to the checkbox to start. Now I will be creating a button which will contain an icon, and we will use the icon the same way as we are using till now. First we will import, then we will use, then we will return it in the setup method. I want ellipsis icon, so I will import it. Just paste it and return it. We are able to see a button. We will apply some property in the button. Firstly I will be applying fill as clear, and secondly I will be providing it a color of medium. Medium is a predefined color in Ionic. We are able to see a light color here, a light gray color. So in this way our card is created. I will just remove the lines of the last item. In this way our card is created, and now I will just copy them. Our image is attached to the product name, so I have provided a slot of start to the thumbnail. Now I will be copying this whole card and will use the similar card also. I have copied it multiple times. We are able to see this view now. Now I will be creating the grid using the autofill to get the desired result as we have seen in the starting of the video. So for that I will be using the grid template columns along with autofill and minmax. So this is our styling part. I have used order items class, and inside that I will be writing the code for my grid. I will be using grid template columns. Then I will be using the repeat. Inside that I will be providing autofill with the min max function, and I will be setting the minimum and maximum sizes. The minimum I will be providing 343 pixels and maximum will be the 1 fr. Basically the min-max function is CSS allows you to specify the minimum and maximum sizes of the grid track, and using min-max with autofill or autofill gives you the ability to create a grid with responsive behavior. So the autofill places two additional columns according to the available viewport spaces. As we have seen that the whole card was there before, and now the simple auto-filled cards are there, and they are automatically adjusted according to the behavior and according to the available viewport space. So in this way I have used autofill property in the CSS grid along with the Ionic and Vue components. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like it, and if you like it then please give your precious comments in the comment section below. Thank you so much.